Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can connect your account on OneCalendar with your account on OneTask to synchronize your tasks from OneTask on with your calendar on OneCalendar. So let us begin. So guys, what you will need to do is navigate to the OneTask and OneCalendar app, both on your device, and make sure that you log in with the same account. For example, if you're logged in with your Google account here on OneCalendar, make sure that you logged in with the same account here. If that's the case, any tasks you create here on OneTask will be automatically synchronized with your calendar on OneCalendar. So let me give you an example. Here on OneCalendar, you can create tasks directly from the OneTask app. To do that, click into this checkmark button in the top right. That is going to redirect you to OneTask. Here, click into your tasks list on the left hand side and create your task. So let me go with an example task 01, and then click into that plus button to customize it. You may give it a title, mark it as complete, assign it to a task list, and here set the due date. So let us go with tomorrow will be May 11th, Monday. Describe it below if you like, and confirm by clicking into save here. You will see the synchronization here in the top left. If you're not sure guys, you can manually synchronize by clicking into this button. And now if I head back to OneCalendar, you will see that the example task has been synchronized and added to my calendar so that you may access it directly from your calendar. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.